This one is GROW-GM861S Barcode scanner and is working on this USB protocol and UART protocol. Now in this project I use this UART protocol and connected with the ESP32 microcontroller board and making this a smart trolley project. When you scan any barcode, the smart trolley add this item and show this total price on this item. Okay, let's see this hardware, which hardware I use in this project. See, in a 0 PCB I mount all this component like 16:2 LCD display and all the slots. In backside I soldering it. Now I attach the ESP32 microcontroller board. Then I attach the SIM800l GSM module, and GSM module I use this one SIM card. SIM card. SIM800l module is supported only 2G, but you put any SIM card. I mean, this not Geo will be supported, but yeah, Airtel and VI will be work perfectly. And I attach this one big antenna to the GSM module. Now I attach this GROW barcode scanner sensor. See, I connected to this UART pin. That's why it's required only 4 wire like VCC, ground, TX and RX pin. Now I attach this sensor and then I attach this 3.7 volt lithium ion battery to given this proper power supply of this GSM module, because the GSM module is not work on this 5 volt. The whole hardware circuit will be ready. The circuit diagram and code available in this video description. If you want, then please find out. Now let's go and see this working of this project. When I turn on the system, it show this connecting Wi-Fi and is display this IP address 192.168.0.122. Just you type this IP address in any Chrome browser or any browser and you see is the properly local dashboard will be display. Now I generated this barcode already. I scan one by one. First barcode I scan is cherry added. Total price is 48 rupees. And just check out this web dashboard. Yeah, it's just display this cherry added. Now suppose if you want to add this cherry more in web dashboard through, you also add it. And if you want to remove this, then you also remove it. Now I scan this second barcode and is display total item is 2 and his total cost is 64 rupees. Now I scan this third barcode is so that this item is 3, total price is 84 rupees. Now I scan this 4 barcode. Apple added, 5th guava added, 6 kiwi added, 7th papaya added, add 8 lychee added, and so that this total item is 9 and total cost of this was 208. Now I pay this now. When I clicking this page now, GSM sending this total bill to this particular mobile number with SMS through. See, the SMS will be received and is show all this data, and you just scan this barcode and you pay it. I hope this project will be like it, and if you like, please hit the like button, share with all the friends. If you're new in my YouTube channel, please subscribe and hit this bell icon to get notification first. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.